Hello again, anyone, to the next part of our Let's Roleplay The Elder Scrolls 3 Morrowind. Last time we arrived at Caius Cosades' house in Balmora, which is ruled by, well, ruled. It is governed by House Lalu, which is sort of like a merchant, thieving, grand house of the Dwemer people. So yeah, Balmora, if I remember correctly, let's just turn the sound a bit down because that's, wow, really loud. I'll just finish what I was saying. Balmora apparently means stone forest, whereas Sadrithmore means mushroom forest or fungus forest, or something like that. So, yeah, that's a little insight on the local culture. You're welcome. And it's apparently the second largest city on Vvardenfell.
I will listen, Outlander, but make it quick.
Okay, let's just turn the sound a bit more. There we are.
Go ahead.
So, my objective was to speak to Hasphat Antabolis at the Balmora Fighters Guild. That's easy. Guild of Fighters. To do.
I'm listening.
If I remember correctly, he should be down this hallway.
Yes.
Good day, Volaryon. So, you're with Caius, eh? And Caius wants information. Of course. That's this what that involved. I require a favor first, and I'll tell you what you want to know. There are Dwemer ruins nearby. Ruins, yeah, plural. Called Arkngthand. Yeah. That. I need you to run over there and find me a little cube with a circular design and some symbols on one side. It's called a Dwemer puzzle box. Bring me back the Dwemer puzzle box and I'll tell you what you want to know. The little cube I'm looking for is about the size of a fist, maybe a little bigger. It'll be made by coppery metal with a circular design and symbols and blah blah blah, we knew that. Yeah, some of you may have seen the Dwemer puzzle box in Skyrim. That is most likely the same puzzle box that has made its way across the provinces. So, it should be up here by the road, past Fort Moonmoth, I think it's called.
I will listen, Outlander, but make it quick.
Speak quickly.
I shall. Quite a grey morning, I suppose. That's the fort, which means we should turn up north in the mountains. In the mountains. I remember you in the mountains. Okay, maybe a bit down. It is actually quite loud. It's a real pain in the ass to get the audio to go along smoothly with my voice, because to me it's quite loud, but when I hear it on YouTube it sort of syncs with my voice, so yeah. Click on rest so we're not out of fatigue, and save. we say that? Mage duel! Yeah, it spells they can hit each other here. That's pretty cool. But it can also be fairly unbalanced, seeing as one of your weaker spells can easily outmaneuver a really tough spell of the enemies. I'll take that, and that, and that, and that. Hello. Yeah. Dum 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 dum. Hall of Centrifuge. Okay. So here we are. Now to look for the Dwemer puzzle box. So yeah, it was a cube. You get that. Oops, wrong spell. Silly humans. I shall be your undoing. If I can hit you. God damn it, Skyrim controls. There we go. This shall be forever known as the configuration clip. The Weeping Hall, the Weeping Hall. Let's just be lucky and take that one. Meh. Okay, maybe we just need to rest first since we have no mana left in MH. Heaven's Gallery. Nah. No thanks. If I remember correctly, we actually need to go up this ramp. Bear in mind that I haven't played this game in like 2 years or something. I have the physical disc, but I decided to buy it on Steam because, hey, you know, if it breaks. Should also be said that Dwemer and ebony items are not allowed to be smuggled out of Vvardenfell. Seems that whatever I do, the game continues to punish me by making the sound go haywire. Well, that's the puzzle box. Shut up. Machinery. Oh, Dwarf coin. I'm sorry, Dwemer coin. See, that's an interesting thing. In the Elder Scrolls universe, there doesn't really exist any dwarves per se, so there's the deep elves who are referred to as Dwemer, but that does not explain how they got the name dwarves. Well, I can tell you that they were the average height of humans and elves, so that we can't really see from that perspective. It actually appears that jump up that it was a group of giants who met the Dwemer, and thus named them dwarves. That is apparently the explanation. Ah, yes, an ash storm. No, no, cliff racer, no. If you're ever gonna play this game, you will hate that enemy to death. First of all, there are many of them. Thousands, thousands, and thousands. And they continue to respawn. Second, they can be tough at lower levels. 3, they have a huge aggro range. 4th, they make that annoying screeching sound. You will get acquainted with it, rest assured that you are doomed. Whoopty whoopty doo. Dum dum. Auto run is your friend. And I can't remember if I have mentioned this, but those giant boxes, list riders, they are the means of transportation around Vvardenfell. Morrowind is actually the only game of the series that hasn't involved fast traveling. Well, in the sense that you can point and click. But yeah, here you have to pay to get around. I think that's pretty fair. There's also ships, and the Mage's Guild can teleport you around, and so on and so forth. There's the Dwemer strongholds, we'll get back to that later. They have this ancient polyphon system or something, I can't remember what it's called. You look lovely, good sir. It'd be nice to have that. And that too. And just about the rest we have here, so. Well, we have plenty of gold. Oh yeah, 2,200. That's fine. So far.